Hey guys, so I'm going to be testing out the Bedhead Pump Up the Volume 1875 Watt Ion Dial Dryer. And a huge thanks to Bedhead for providing me this product to test out. So this dryer lets you customize your heat setting. It also has a volume control ion dial that allows you to adjust the level of volume. With the volume control ion, you have 5 different volume options. It also features ionic technology that fights frizz and adds shine. As you can see, it was super easy for me to get this blowout look, and I love how voluminous and shiny my hair is.